We just helped one of our clients hit $10,000 a month with his Facebook page 6 months ahead of schedule. And we did it by following a proven 7-step blueprint that I teach to every single one of my coaching clients. In this video, I'm breaking down the exact 7-step blueprint so you can understand how you can scale your content and grow a monetized audience on Facebook that pays you every single month. If this is your first time seeing me, my name is Lester Diaz and I help YouTubers and content creators scale their monetization using Facebook. So let's jump right in. Step number 1 of my 7-step blueprint is audience tiers. This is what a lot of content creators don't really get. When it comes to making money on Facebook, who's actually watching your videos and where your followers are from actually plays a major role in how much money you will make. Audience tiers is essentially identifying which followers, which viewers are making you the most money for your Facebook page. If you don't know the demographics for your Facebook page and your viewers, you're not able to identify which pieces of content can make you the most money or where you can increase your audience in specific places that can make you more money for every 1,000 impressions. So this is why one of the first steps that I teach my clients is how to identify which audiences or tiers within your Facebook page are making you the most money and where you need to improve. Step 2 is viral formats. If you don't know what viral formats is, it's essentially optimizing your video specifically for Facebook. A lot of content creators and YouTubers make the mistake of grabbing content that they uploaded on YouTube and just taking that exact same content and uploading that to Facebook. That's one of the biggest mistakes you can make if you really want to scale your page and make more money. People who consume content on YouTube do not consume content the same way on Facebook. So the way to maximize your content to make as much money as possible is by having a viral format for every specific video you have. This means one specific format for Facebook Reels and one format for videos. I see a lot of Facebook pages that have the same style of format and editing for every single video, whether they're posting on Facebook Reels or they're uploading videos on Facebook. There's got to be a clear difference, and at the same time, this gives you the opportunity to repurpose and make money from the same videos. So when a client comes to me asking me for help in how they should be editing for Facebook, we actually give them a viral format that they can replicate for their Facebook page. Makes it easier for them to follow and understand what they should be doing for Facebook. In a nutshell, you want to make sure the videos you're posting as Facebook videos look different from the videos you're posting as a Facebook reel. As long as those are different, you'll be fine. Step number 3 is the viral ad strategy. Now, there's a lot of misconception from other creators that I've seen on YouTube and other supposed Facebook experts that are claiming that if you run ads, you're gonna kill your page and you're not gonna get distribution and you're not gonna get reach, you're not gonna make money, and essentially Facebook is not gonna promote your page. That is complete BS, and I can tell you from experience, I've been doing this for over 10 years now. I can tell you that from running multiple Facebook pages and having access to some of the biggest content creators, if you run ads, it does not hurt your Facebook page whatsoever. You can utilize ads with a specific purpose to either grow your audience or promote your content, but you have to know how to do it properly. And one of the main benefits of using ads with your Facebook page is that you can manage the tiers for your audience, meaning that if you have a lot of audiences from tier 2 or tier 3 from countries that don't really pay you that much money for every 1,000 impressions, then you can use ads to essentially balance that out and increase the percentage of tier 1, which pays the most money for your ad revenue. And no, you don't need to spend $1,000 or $10,000 per month in ads to make this happen. In fact, we have clients who spend anywhere from $5 per day to $10 per day to $50 per day. You choose how much money you want to spend on ads and how fast or slow you want to scale. I've grown dozens of Facebook pages from scratch to thousands and even hundreds of thousands of followers using this exact same strategy of using ads plus organic content to really blow up and get the results as quickly as possible. And by the way, if you want our help implementing these 7 steps for your own Facebook page and you are a YouTuber or experienced content creator who's already making some money for Facebook and you want to be able to scale to that next level, then check out the description below. I have a link where you can go and apply for our program. And if you're a good fit, we'll definitely reach out and work with you. So check out the link in the description below for more information. Step number 4 is the repurposing engine. And what this means is essentially identifying top performing content for your Facebook page. This means that one video could definitely turn turn into multiple videos that could go viral within Facebook, giving you multiple opportunities to go viral. Instead of just uploading one video to Facebook, what if you had that exact same video that can be turned into multiple little clips that you can monetize, giving you more opportunities to go viral? Because now you have, instead of posting a 15-minute video, you now have 5, 6, 7 videos that you can post, and maybe one of those can go viral and make you a ton of money. So unlike YouTube, where you post one video, and if it does well, it did well. If it doesn't, then you have to try again with another video. On Facebook, that's not the case. On Facebook, you can take one video and you can turn that into multiple videos that can be repurposed into Facebook Reels, into regular videos, and those videos have multiple opportunities to go viral. This is what we call our one-to-many strategy, meaning turning a long-form content into multiple clips that can go viral within Facebook. Step number 5 is format scaling. Format scaling is taking the high-performing topics from your page and turning that into multiple formats that are now monetizable inside of Facebook. With the new content monetization program that Facebook is offering creators, Facebook now allows you to monetize text, photos, stories, and essentially giving you the opportunity to make money for pretty much anything you post on Facebook. So you don't have to necessarily just rely on videos to make money. You now take your top performing content and turn that into other formats like text, photos, and stories. All of them giving you the opportunity to make money from the existing content you're already creating for your page. So one of the tools that we give our clients is how they should be repurposing all of that content, extracting the top performing content and turning that into text, photos, and stories that can definitely make a lot of money. And we've seen Facebook pages making $10,000, $15,000, $20,000 per month just from text, photos, and stories. Step number 6 is volume scaling. Once you identified exactly your repurposing strategy and you're scaling to create additional formats that can make you money, now it's the time to test scaling, meaning you increase your posting frequency, you post more content to see if posting more generates more revenue and more opportunities to go viral. We want to only focus on top performing content ideas. We double down on what's working for the page and create additional content pieces to increase our posting frequency and hopefully have more chances of going viral and making more money from the existing top performing content. So if you want to make more money, then that means you post more, but you post more not of the content that's not doing well, but the content that has proven to do well in the past. And finally, step number 7 is our viral formula. And what this is essentially using a combination of organic posts, reposting, and also using ads to boost your top performing videos to specific audiences within your followers, and also using additional settings that Facebook provides to essentially push your videos to go viral again. So if you had a viral video and you're trying to push that video to go viral again, our viral formula is designed to teach you how you should be boosting those videos to reach even more people. Essentially, that extends the lifespan of that video, making you more money long term. This creates an evergreen process where essentially you create one video and maybe 2 weeks from now, you can repost that video. You can use our viral formula, which is using ads to push that video to specific audiences. And now you have a viral video again because you use that combination of organic, high-performing content plus ads. So these 7 steps are the exact steps that my client followed in order to hit $10,000 per month in just over 2 months following our training. And if you're an experienced YouTuber or content creator who's looking to really take Facebook seriously and want to take your Facebook monetization to the next level, you want to be able to scale your revenue, increase your followers, then check out the link in the description below for how my team and I can help you scale your Facebook page and take your revenue to that next level. And if you've been struggling on Facebook for a while, not knowing why you're not getting more reach, you might be making some mistakes and you don't even realize it. That's why I made this video right here that you can watch, where I cover exactly what you need to stop doing if you want to get more reach and make more money. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video.